So you've probably seen posts like this one right here with affiliate marketers showing screenshots of crazy amounts of money that they're earning in a single 24 or 48 hour period. Then you go do a little bit more research and you come to realize that this affiliate marketer has an audience of 100,000 YouTube subscribers or 50,000 Instagram followers, and you don't have an audience. Multiple methods that I'm going to show you today are the methods that I used when I was first starting as an affiliate marketer and had no audience at all. So let's dive right in with 5 ways you can still make affiliate commissions even if you don't have any audience. So the first one is what's called native ads. And native ads is something that I've been experimenting with in the past month or two and been able to start seeing some minor successes. Now the reason I like native ads is they're not super complicated and there is literally endless amount of traffic. So if you're not aware what a native ad is, I'm gonna pull up on a site here. This is called the Good Men Project. Maybe you've heard of it. And you can see here you're scrolling and you're reading and there's a good article. Maybe you're liking the article. And as you scroll down, this kind of looks like related articles, right? Like, oh, hey, you might also be interested in some of this. But if you look really close right there, it says, these are ads, okay? Ads by Rev Content. And so they don't look like ads, which is great. That means you're gonna get a lot more clicks. So you can see right here, it says, new secret slows macular degeneration for blah. So you can see here, there's a really funny headline. It just looks like a regular news article. Now when we click it, we go to this page right here, right? It's a little teeny post, almost nothing on there, a bridge page. And you can see here, it says, would you like to watch the video where we explain all this? You say, yes, of course I'd love to watch the video. And guess what you just did? You clicked an affiliate link. So now you're on this page, revision20.us, and you can see right here, it's a video. And what do we have below the video? We've got products for sale. And if we scroll to the bottom right here and zoom very deeply in on this, you're gonna see the word ClickBank. This is a ClickBank product that someone is using ads to sell. And you can see, while they've probably done a lot of work to test and find the right combo of ads, it's not a super complicated process. The beauty of native ads is as soon as you start making some money, you can instantly scale and dump in thousands of dollars and dump out thousands more dollars. Number 4 is launch jacking. You may or may not have heard of launch jacking, but launch jacking is very easy for new beginners to understand, and it doesn't require a lot of clout and definitely no audience. So what launch jacking is when a new product launches, right? They do all this hyping and they have all their affiliates go crazy and email their lists and they run ads and things go crazy all over the internet. And what that does is it makes people go to Google and they type in review of product X, right? Or review of product Y, or what is product X, okay? What is product Y? And as soon as they do that, there's a lot of potential for new affiliates to get in on this for 2 reasons. One, no one's put any content about this product because it's brand new. That means there's not a lot of competition on Google out there or YouTube. That also means that there's a lot of potential for brand new blogs, brand new YouTube channels to be able to take these spots because there's no one else currently holding them. Now, if you want to learn more about how to do launch jacking, I've got a video that I put out about a year ago that you can get started with to learn how it all works. But if you just kind of want to understand it, all you've got to do is you go to a site like muncheye.com, and this tells you what the big launches are. So Muncheye, you can see right here, it tells you, hey, here's the big launches coming up. It's got the really big ones in yellow right there, and you can click on any of these launches, get some details, get the vendor where it's being launched, the JV page, get some assets and things like that. And that's how you get involved in launch jacking. You can reach out ahead of time and say, hey, I'd love to do a review on YouTube or a review on Google. Can I have either a free copy or can I pay for a copy so that I'm able to do that? I've seen totally brand new affiliates make up to $5,000 a month using this method because there's not a lot of competition. It just requires work as you have to put out a lot of content about each one of these products as they're launching. Number 3 is influencer marketing. Now for this to work, all we've got to do is go out and find influencers that allow you to pay them small amounts of money to post on their platforms. The best platform for this is Instagram. And so if you go to Instagram, you can type in something like bodybuilding if that's your niche, and you'll get all these different bodybuilding accounts. So you're going to click into these bodybuilding accounts, and what you're looking for is them giving you the option to buy a sponsored post, okay? So you're looking for something just like this right here. All you've got to do is DM them and they'll give you a list of prices. They can either do stories about you or shout outs or specific posts like these, but all you're gonna do is you're going to create a simple landing page and you're going to send your traffic to that landing page. Usually you can get shout outs from pretty big platforms for 30, 40, 50 bucks, which is pretty wild. Next, you're just gonna go to clickbank.com, you're gonna go to their marketplace, and you're gonna type in the niche. So in this example, with this bodybuilder, right, we're gonna go to health and fitness, and we're gonna take a look at some of these products. There's some flat belly ones, and a bunch of other products that you could potentially promote. All you've gotta do is get the shout out, then you're gonna send that shout out to a landing page that looks just like this, where you're gonna give something to be able to capture the email address, because remember, we actually would like to be building an audience as we become affiliate marketers. After they put in their email address, you're just gonna forward them on to the affiliate offer. They're gonna click, and if the numbers make sense, right, if you put out $50 and you make $100 in commissions, then you can buy a bunch more shout outs from that influencer and other influencers in that space. It is a great way to just get your feet wet. Oh wait, this is the part of the video where you click those 2 buttons down below to get access to more cool, awesome affiliate marketing content. Number 2 is faceless YouTube channels. So if you're one of those people that wants to get involved in this, they see the potential in platforms like YouTube and blogging, but you don't want your face to be involved at all, you can create Facebook YouTube channels. Now, if you want to see a really cool case study where I actually did this exact thing and created a brand new faceless YouTube channel from scratch, click this video right here and give it a watch. But essentially, all we've got to do for this is we're going to create whiteboard videos and B-roll videos. And we've all seen whiteboard videos, a little hand going across the screen that you can see right here. And for certain categories and certain questions that people type into Google, you're actually going to find people like this more. They actually enjoy these whiteboard videos just a little bit more. So you can see right here, this is that channel that I'm talking about, this brand new channel. And it's got about 8 videos at this point, but we've got 700, 600, 560, and then our last 2 or 3 videos haven't started to take off yet. But we're getting on an average a couple hundred views per video that we put out on these faceless YouTube channels. Now, we haven't started to monetize it yet, but once you start building up an audience, you can start putting out links and monetizing it with YouTube ads. Now, the best types of videos for this type of content is people typing in what is questions and how questions. So what is the stock market? How does the stock market work? Right? These are questions where a whiteboard video actually is very helpful as people try to get a clear understanding of how something works. In the example I just showed you, we could say, what is the stock market? We have a link in the description to a course that teaches you how to get started with the stock market. All right, and for the final number 1 way that I think brand new affiliates can get started, even if they don't have an audience, is using the platform Google Ads. Now let me explain for a second what I love so much about Google Ads. Beginners struggle to sell, right? If you're a brand new affiliate marketer, you're probably not a master salesman who can take somebody and transition them from not knowing about a product all the way to be drooling over the product in the matter of a few days. Now that's okay with Google Ads because a lot of people are searching Google with buyer intent. For example, I might be thinking I'm interested in affiliate marketing, so I might type in affiliate marketing course into Google right here, right? And we've obviously got a lot of people running ads on this one because it's a fairly common thing, but there's a lot of people typing a lot of things into Google, and you'll find that there's little niches and little spaces where there's not a lot of competition. So you're going to be looking for products and niches and categories that people are not running a lot of Google ads for, and you're going to be running these ads.